Have you ever wondered why some people seem to thrive financially while others struggle? It often comes down to the habits we cultivate, but don't worry, if you're ready to learn how to break free from the chains of poor financial habits, stick around. Let's get started on this path to financial freedom together. Habit number 1. Overspending. Overspending is a sneaky habit that can quickly drain your finances and derail your journey to wealth. Let's take a moment to consider the story of Sarah, a young professional who loves shopping. Each month, she found herself splurging on the latest fashion trends and dining out with friends. Initially, it felt harmless, but soon her credit card bills piled up, and she realized she was living paycheck to paycheck. The thrill of impulse buying left her with regret and financial stress, ultimately preventing her from saving for her dream home. This is where budgeting and tracking expenses become essential. By creating a budget, you can gain a clear picture of your income and expenditures, allowing you to identify areas where you can cut back. It's crucial to prioritize your needs over your wants. Instead of succumbing to the allure of the latest gadgets or trendy outfits, focus on building your savings. By making conscious spending choices and sticking to a budget, you can break free from the cycle of overspending and start accumulating wealth. Remember, every dollar saved is a step closer to financial freedom. If you are enjoying the video, hit the subscribe button and comment down your thoughts. If you want to explore money-making strategies, click the link in the description to start your financial journey. Habit number 2. Ignoring investments. Neglecting investments is a habit that can significantly hinder your financial growth. Take the story of Mark, a diligent worker who focused solely on saving his paycheck. He often heard about the stock market and investment opportunities, but thought he'd wait until he had more money to invest. Years passed, and while he saved diligently, he watched friends who started investing early grow their wealth exponentially. Mark missed out on the power of compound interest and the potential for his money to work for him. Starting to invest early, even with small amounts, can make a world of difference. You don't need a fortune to begin. Many investment platforms allow you to start with just a few dollars. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow. Consider various investment options like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Stocks can offer high returns, while bonds provide stability. Mutual funds allow you to diversify your investments without needing extensive knowledge. By overcoming the habits of ignoring investments, you can set yourself on a path towards financial growth and security. Don't wait, start investing today. Habit number 3. Living beyond your means. Living beyond your means can lead to a precarious financial situation, often resulting in overwhelming debt. Consider the cautionary tale of Jessica, a recent college graduate who landed a well-paying job. Excited about her newfound income, she quickly upgraded her lifestyle. Luxury apartments, designer clothes, and frequent vacations became the norm. However, as her expenses soared, she found herself relying on credit cards to maintain this lavish lifestyle. Before long, Jessica was buried in debt, struggling to make minimum payments while her financial dreams slipped further away. This story highlights the dangers of lifestyle inflation, where increased income leads to increased spending rather than savings. It's crucial to align your lifestyle choices with your financial reality. Just because you can afford something doesn't mean you should buy it. By making conscious spending decisions, you can prioritize your financial health over fleeting pleasures. Consider creating a budget that reflects your true financial situation and allows for savings. Remember, a modest lifestyle today can pave the way for a secure and prosperous future. Choose wisely and don't let the allure of a flashy lifestyle derail your financial goals. Habit number 4. Lack of financial education. A lack of financial education can be a significant barrier to effective money management, often leading to poor financial decisions. Take the story of Tom, a hardworking individual who never learned the basics of budgeting or investing. After receiving a substantial bonus at work, he impulsively spent it on a new car and a lavish vacation, believing he could easily earn more. However, when unexpected expenses arose, Tom found himself struggling to make ends meet, drowning in debt and regret. This cautionary tale illustrates how ignorance can lead to financial struggles. Without a solid understanding of basic financial concepts like budgeting, saving, and investing, individuals can easily fall into traps that jeopardize their financial future. It's crucial to seek out financial education resources, whether through books, online courses, or workshops. Knowledge is power, and understanding how to manage your money can transform your financial landscape. By investing time in learning about personal finance, you can make informed decisions that lead to stability and growth. Remember, the more you know, the better equipped you are to navigate your financial journey successfully. Number 5. Procrastination. Procrastination can be a silent killer of financial success, often leading to missed opportunities and delayed goals. Consider the story of Lisa, a young professional who always intended to start saving for retirement. Each year, she promised herself she would begin contributing to her 401k, but life kept getting in the way. She thought, I'll start next year, believing she had plenty of time. Fast forward a decade, and Lisa realized she had missed out on years of potential growth due to her procrastination. This relatable scenario highlights how delaying financial decisions can have long-term consequences. The earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. Taking immediate action toward your financial goals is crucial for building a secure future. To combat procrastination, consider setting up specific deadlines for your financial plans, whether it's creating a budget, starting an emergency fund, or investing for retirement. Having a timeline can motivate you to take action. Remember, every small step counts, and the sooner you start, the closer you will be to achieving your financial dreams. Don't wait, take charge of your financial future today. Habit number 6, not networking. Failing to network can significantly limit your opportunities for financial growth and career advancement. Take the example of Alex, a talented software developer who focused solely on his technical skills. He spent long hours coding but neglected to build connections within his industry. When job openings arose at prestigious companies, Alex found himself overlooked as he lacked the referrals and recommendations that often come from a strong professional network. This story illustrates how important networking is for unlocking new opportunities. Building a professional network can lead to job offers, collaborations, and mentorships that can propel your career forward. It's not just about who you know, it's about who knows you and your capabilities. To enhance your networking efforts, consider attending industry events, workshops, and conferences. Engaging with others in your field can open doors you never knew existed. Don't hesitate to reach out on platforms like LinkedIn or join professional groups. Remember, every connection you make could lead to a new opportunity for financial growth. Start networking today and watch how it transforms your career trajectory. Habit number 7, fear of failure. The fear of failure can be a significant barrier that prevents individuals from taking necessary financial risks. Consider the inspiring story of Sarah, a budding entrepreneur who dreamed of launching her own bakery. Initially, she hesitated, paralyzed by the fear of failing and losing her savings. However, after witnessing a friend successfully navigate the ups and downs of starting a business, Sarah decided to take the plunge. She embraced her fear, learned from her mistakes, and gradually built a thriving bakery that became a beloved local spot. Sarah's journey illustrates the importance of overcoming the fear of failure. Every setback she faced became a valuable lesson, teaching her how to adapt and grow. In the world of finance and entrepreneurship, learning from failures is often the key to success. I encourage you to embrace calculated risks in your financial journey, whether it's investing in stocks, starting a side hustle, or pursuing a new career path. Remember that growth often comes from stepping outside your comfort zone. Don't let fear hold you back. Take those risks, learn from the outcomes, and watch how they can lead you to greater financial success. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.